Okay, so welcome to yet another installment of a No Frills video today. How you doing? Hope everybody's doing well. I had ordered and I received, a couple of days back, you can see the box behind it, this drying rack from Amazon, okay? This is not a sponsored ad, so just saying. All right, I love certain types of drying racks. Now, I want to show you something. This is a collapsible one, and of course I had it upside down. It's kind of hard to maneuver the camera and do certain tasks, okay? Right now I'm trying to get very creative picking this up using my hand. But you're kind of getting the idea, okay? So, okay, I'm going to pull this over. So if it steps out of the way of it being where it should be, you'll understand what I'm doing. Okay, so this is a collapsible drying rack, as you can obviously see. It goes up, it goes down. I want to get into its full picture. So just bear with me a second, and that's what we're going to do. Okay, so I got one side, which is, well, I thought I did, helpful. Oh, Lord. Okay, when you're doing things on your own, you got to give yourself more credit than the rest of the world. Okay, so here you go. Here I go. I just wanted to demonstrate how it collapses open and it collapses close. Why is this important for me to mention? As you could see, it is very sizable. That it is. And it was only about $35, I think, altogether, including the tax and everything. So $35, not bad, not bad. It's metal. Years ago, these things only came in wooden and plastic. I don't remember metal. Maybe they existed, just didn't know it. Just saying. But anyway, make a long story short, I highly recommend this, but I do have a very important tip for you. When you order this, because I ordered it online, and probably where, as I said, make sure that you double check. Some of the ads say assembly required. Okay, assembly required. I didn't want any assembly required. So I made sure it said no assembly required. I literally just popped it out of the box, okay, and then just pulled it up. Now, of course, I'm going to show you how it collapses, which is a lot easier than me trying to show you how it opens. All right, so you see how it smashes down like that? See how simple that is? That is like very simple. And that's it. And then you just put it in a corner or wherever you want. Boy, close give is way more easier than opening it on camera like that. But anyway, I'm glad you bared with me, but I definitely want you to realize to look when you check out to make the purchase, make sure that you don't get the one that says assembly required. Why pay for the extra work? I mean, why? Just get something like this. Just open it up, pull it out of the box, open it up, and there you go. All right. Thank you so much for your time. I just thought I'd share. I definitely like the metal one. I used to have years and years and years back a wooden one. And then later on, I had actually a cute little plastic one. It was really cute. But I said, let's go back to see what's out there right now. And the metal one seemed to be the deal. So everybody have an amazing, fantastic day. You take good care now. Bye-bye.